Hey girls, doing okay? All right, there's so much snow that the chickens and ducks don't even want to come out of the coop, even into their covered run. So I'm gonna put down some more straw, see if I can get them a warm place to step, and then I'll mix in some mealworms into the straw so they have some foraging they can do inside their run. Here's the girls here. So they're just waiting for some assistance out here, so I'm gonna get to work. Before I start, here's how much snow has gotten in. So, and here's the new bale of straw. That didn't take long. I put a little straw on their steps. I tried to clear the snow off. It was kind of icy, so I put some straw there. And I put a little straw underneath their coop too, so they have an extended area there. And I mixed mealworms in with the straw, so they have something to do. They got plenty of water. They got this water and this water.